The Palestinian death toll from ongoing Israeli attacks on the Gaza Strip has risen to 34,971 and injuries to 78,641 since the current conflict broke out on October 7, 2023, according to the Hamas-run health authorities on Saturday. A statement said, during the past 24 hours, the Israeli army killed 28 Palestinians and wounded 69 others in the coastal enclave. Israel has ramped up strikes on the Palestinian city of Rafah after the talks on the Israel-Hamas truce held in Egypt's Cairo collapsed on Thursday. Earlier on Saturday, the Israeli army ordered further evacuation of Palestinian residents in eastern Rafah, citing upcoming military operations targeting Hamas militants in those areas. The United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine Refugees in the Near East said that the new evacuation order has affected some 300,000 people in the Gaza Strip,